A very good afternoon to all our viewers. This is Dr. Arun here, and we are in the fag end of my 3 days hair restoration workshop here. So this time, it was a privilege to have four young doctors and surgeons who came to me to learn hair restoration. So as usual, let me just try and understand how their response was and what did they learn and what are they taking back from me. So let's start with Dr. Harish. So Dr. Harish is a young Max Fax surgeon from Guntur.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so he is going to be starting his hair restoration very soon.
Yes.
I hope you are going to be starting it very
Yes,
soon.
yes, sure.
Okay, so let us try and understand. Our viewers would like to know what exactly was your, expectations when you came here, and how was it last 3 days, and what have you learned, and what are you taking back from here. I think you can use this microphone if you want to.
Actually, when I came here, I was a bit hesitated how it will be there, how it will be the session. But after coming here, Sir was very friendly, and it was a 3 days interactive session. Sir started telling us from the basics of hair transplantation, not only the non-surgical part, surgical part, but also the non-surgical part. And the food what Sir has given was the hospitality was very good, and the staff were very friendly. Even the Aarti madam, she had cameras and she taught us many things. And Sasha, we are very happy to be part of this team, and we would like to start my practice after going to my hometown. Thank you, sir. Thank you for such a
So
wonderful
could
session.
we live up to your expectations?
It's more than our expectations. So I came without any expectations, but the expectations have been raised after the session. So I want to be one of the best hair transplant surgeon in my hometown.
Super. Very good.
So
Very good.
thank you.
Very good. Very good. That's
So
nice.
all the credits will be given to the sir. Even I don't know any basics. Sir have told us from the basics where the hair comes and what we have to do. Everything was been taught to us in an elaborative way. So this will be useful for my future. So hope I'll be teaching some more in the future
Wow, that's
because of
nice.
this.
Good,
Thank
good,
you, sir. Thank you, sir.
good,
Wonderful
good, good,
opportunity.
good. Thank you. Okay, so let me just go to the most inquisitive person of this batch who has asked me a lot of questions, scratched my head. So, Dr. Jayanti is a cleft surgeon basically. She's training herself in cleft with one of the very renowned cleft surgeons of the country. So, but then she is now, trying to get into the hair restoration workshop, and she wants to learn, and she is, I hope you have learned. Let us try and understand from Dr. Jayanti what she has to say.
So the knowledge I gained in the past 3 days is truly very immense. So first, as everybody, like I was also very skeptical about coming so far from Chennai to Mumbai for a hair transplant workshop, as well as I was just thinking about whom to approach and if this would be a proper platform to learn from. But then he was one of the renowned surgeon in our fraternity, that is OMFS fraternity. So I thought this would be the best option, and he has been trained by a lot of great surgeons all over the world. So coming to the workshop, like not like any other workshop, it was completely hands on. Okay, anything, if I want to go and start a practice the next day I land in Chennai, I can, because that was so much hands on he has given. And also the knowledge from the basic he has shared is also very elaborate, and it was very understandable. And also apart from that, setting up a practice and all the intricate details that he has given is also not every surgeon or every doctor would give. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Jayanti.
Thank
And
you.
thank you so much for coming in all the way from Chennai. Being a lady, you are exploring the world. It's the right time to explore, actually. It's good. You learn many things. And I wish you all the luck.
Thank you so much.
All right? Give me that. Dr. Wilmer has come all the way from Philippines. It's he belongs to a place called Cebu. Cebu. So Cebu doesn't have a hair restoration surgeon as of now. So I think you're going to be the first hair restoration surgeon. I think what he said that he went through a hair restoration procedure about a month and a half back, right?
Yeah.
That is what motivated that he should start having hair restoration, and he's here all thanks to you coming all the way from Philippines. What do you have to say?
Yeah, again, thank you also, Doc. But after my hair restoration, I decided to train because I thought it was an easy procedure. But when I arrived here on my first day, everything turns on the other side. And I said on my first day that uh, I think I will not proceed to do hair restoration. Uh, Doing hands-on on the first day, it takes me very very slow from extraction, from slitting and implantation. It's very slow, but with the guidance and with the team, of course, the expert on the second day, and I noticed my skills or my handling of the on transplantation. It's much more faster and makes it easier. Then it changes my idea and my
Perspective.
perspective that uh, it's nice and it's good as long as with the proper guidance, and it makes it easier for me, for us, because we have the best uh, teacher in hair transplant. And I know up to this day and more in the future, this today will be part of my memory, and this will also be part of my future practice that I started here. I learned it from here, from scratch here in this clinic with Dr. Arun Panda. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Wilmer. Thank you so much for coming in here. It was really very nice. It was a pleasure to host you here and your wife. We are missing her, but it was a real pleasure to have you here. You know, we would look forward to seeing you doing a lot of hair restorations and hair surgeries. We will see you in the group posting a lot of group. So I have another young maxillofacial surgeon, Dr. Shahanzul from Assam. So he's very young, but I think it's a good time to enter into a field which is now getting explored, and more people from our fraternity maxillofacial surgeons are entering into it. So it's good that you're getting into this practice, and I think I'm sure in the next 5 to 7 years you're going to be the best in your place. So what do you have to say?
Thank you so much, sir. So if I choose a word like for this tedious workshop, so it will be like excellent. So during the first coming to the clinic environment and the vibes, everything is perfect. And whatever the doubts we are getting, like basic, I don't have any basic knowledge about the hair restoration. And sir was like very much like he has gone deep into the discussion, and he explained everything. What was those minute details? He explained everything, and whatever the doubts we're having, as I was having, like simple doubts, he has cleared everything. And the hands-on is completely like the best one which I get. Like first time when I started with the hair restoration, it was I was slow, I was a bit slow, but now after the completion of the 3 day, I get the enough confidence so I can start immediately the procedures day after. So thank you so much, sir, for these 3 days. And whatever the procedures what he has teached, yeah, even the non-surgical procedures he has taught us, so it is like excellent experience. And he is as a human being is also a great person. So I hope, sir, you will guide future also. And definitely will make you proud.
Thank you so much. That was
And
that's what I would like my students to go and do much better than what I do.
yes, sir.
Anyway, um, thank you so much, guys, for coming into our practice. It was really a pleasure to host you all here, and I wish you all the luck. And I want you to do much better than what I am doing. May all May the God bless you with all the patience, and you do very good. And thank you so much once again for coming in here. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you, sir.
guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you,
So
thank you.
last but not the least, we would like to thank all the members of your team for their excellent, sir. Thank you.
No problem. Thank you so much. And keep watching our posts more for about workshops and our procedures. Thank you.